quite upset today. What happened? Today in the morning, I lost my pencil box on the way to school. All my pencils and some other things were in there. You should not put all your eggs in one basket. Those were not the eggs in the basket, but my colorful pencils. I really like them. No, you are taking me wrong. Those were not the eggs. It's an idiom. Idiom? What's an idiom? Hello friends, my name is Riyansh and in this video I'm going to discuss 5 idioms which are often used in daily conversation. You might have heard them a lot in movies and TV shows, so let's start with the first one. All ears. I'm all ears. That means to be waiting eagerly to hear about something. I'm all ears, which means I'm listening very carefully. I exemplify it. Tell me something about yourself. I'm all ears. Idiom number 2. The second idiom is bite the bullet. The bullet is one that is inside the gun. Now, can you bite the bullet? Ouch, that may hurt your teeth. It actually means to do something unpleasant or painful, but with courage and determination. To bite the bullet, for example, he hates going to the doctor, but he will have to bite the bullet. And the next one is idiom number 3, and that is post an arm and a leg. An arm and a leg? No, it means to be very expensive. We can understand it better with an example. We wanted to buy a new car, but we couldn't, as it cost an arm and a leg. Idiom number 4, let the cat out of the bag. It doesn't mean to let the cat out of the bag. In fact, it means to reveal a secret or allow a secret to be known. For example, don't let the cat out of the bag that I am planning a road trip with my brother. And the last idiom is beat around the bush. But what does it mean? It means to avoid talking about something directly. Let me give you an example. Just tell me what you want to say. Don't beat around the bush. And that's all we have for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.